People often think that they're anonymous when they're using or misusing radios. They picture what they used to see in the movies, people turning antennas trying to get a fix on where the signal is coming from, or talking for a short time to try and make sure that they're not tracked. Today, the tools are a lot more automated than that. It is also common to say the FCC will not do anything. While the FCC may or may not put resources into tracking down problems, it can cost thousands of dollars when they do. It is also possible for radio services like us or hams to track down a problem in order to report it. This is an example of how it's done on one of the modern tools. This is the tracker screen. You can see our location on the arrow. We set the frequency that we're tracking up in the software. Additionally, this radio was set up so that I could hear the signal. As the tracker starts to receive the signal, we start to get the directional displays. This tracker uses a 5-antenna array and determines the direction based on propagation delay between the different antennas. As it gets additional signals, it refines the direction and location of the source. Either continuous or burst signals can be tracked. Because we're going into the mountains, there are times when the direct line is obscured by the hills, and the tracker sees reflections off various objects, so the initial information may be off. As it receives additional signals, it refines the location. Here it has a pretty good idea of where the location is. As it gains confidence, the marker turns green. The tracker also gets access to maps from the internet, so we can get turn-by-turn directions as we close in on the spot.
Drive west on Crest Forest Drive for In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination. Drive west on Playground Drive for a half mile.
Well, that is correct.
There it is. We're on it.
Drive southwest on Playground Drive. Then you will arrive at your destination.
So this is it.
Yep. All right. So here's the location. Starting at the bottom of the mountain was actually one of the more difficult places because the view is obstructed. Directly to the top of the mountain from further away would actually start the triangulation a lot earlier because of the line of sight.